Alright guys, welcome back to Performance RC. And as you saw in the beginning of this video of some of the pictures, I got a box today from Rovan. That's right, I got myself the MaxT. It came back in stock a few days ago. Ordered it Thursday. I think I placed my order Thursday. Today's Monday and it's already here. So Rovan, awesome quick shipping, great people over there. Dan, he's doing really cool things at Rovan. So I just thought I'd make a little unboxing video. I already just took the knife, got some of the cardboard out of it, just to make it easy. And first impressions is, wow, it is big. So let me set up my camera here and I'll get back to you. Over everything. There she is. Let me position the camera. Well, here she is on the stand. Takes up to my stand. This thing is just massive. So it looks like in the box here you get another one of these cans. I don't use these, but got another one. We have the front bumper portion. And then it looks like some bags of supplies, the wing looks like the wing mount for the back of the truck, and some more stickers. So let's get this body off and we'll see what we got. Sorry guys, I'm doing this one-handed, so it's a little hard. And that must have been the controller in the white box. Alright guys, there it is, bone stock, 45. Wow, look at how they layered a bunch of gaskets on that, but oh my god, and look at this, are you kidding me? Okay, it comes with metal back braces, and look at what I just bought from Rovan. I got a brand new set of them because my plan was to put them on the MaxT. So I'm gonna, well, I mean, if anyone wants to buy these, I'm gonna put them on, but I might contact Dan at Rovan and see if I can return them, maybe get some money back. But yeah, here's the 45. So plans with this, the engine's coming right out. I'm gonna get to it, rip this engine off, and it's gonna be sent over to TMR, Alan Sestra. He's gonna work his magic on this 45 engine and mod it up for me. So stay tuned, make sure you subscribe. This is gonna be the new feature of the channel. This is the new addition to Performance RC. So can't wait. Here's a little list of goodies that are going on this. Hubs, velocity stack, MSD plug, Turtle Racing trans case with a Turtle Racing diff saver. Here's my two other Bajas ready to go. 32 TMR is a beast of an engine. But alright guys, this is just an unboxing. Hope you guys liked it. Make sure you subscribe and like. Till next time, see you.